Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to be making boiled eggs. Okay, the first thing you want to do is get your Instant Pot, put the trivet in, and go ahead and get your eggs. It doesn't matter if you're going to cook 1, 2, or 20. This is an 8-quart pot, so I'm putting 2 8-ounce cups of water in. If you have a 6-quart pot, you would put 1 8-ounce cup of water in. Okay, so next we're going to add the lid. Closed. Then come down and hit pressure cook. It's on custom. 2 minutes on high. Now hit start. Okay, now this is going to take a few minutes to preheat. It's going to cook for 2 minutes and then it's going to keep warm. And it's going to naturally release. The steam should naturally release in about 7 minutes. And then that's when you can take them out. You take off the lid and take them out and they'll be perfectly cooked. You don't have to wait 10 minutes. This isn't the 2-10 method. You just cook them for 2 minutes. Wait until that drops right there. And then you can take them out and we'll see what they look like. Okay, so it's been 7 minutes and this is dropped. Now we're going to open up our Instant Pot. Okay. And now we're going to take them out and put them into some cold water. Okay, so these eggs have been cooling in cold water for about a minute or two. If you don't have, you could either use ice water or you could just run some cold water. Once the water gets warm again, then you can dump that out and put some more cold water in there. But make sure that they're cool to the touch. Now we're going to test them. And you'll see how easy it is to peel these eggs. Look at that. Just fall right off. So now we're going to cut into one of these eggs and see what it looks like on the inside. Beautiful. It's nice and yellow. No green around. They haven't been overcooked. They're not undercooked in any way. Okay, let's give it a taste. Tastes wonderful. It tastes really good and creamy. They're not overdone. You don't have to wait 10 minutes. Just wait until your steam valve drops. Once it drops, open them up. You can put them in ice water or just run them under some cold water for about a minute and then just peel off the shell. They're ready to go. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have fun cooking. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.